The journey to Australia starts with thorough planning and budgeting, and here's how to get started. Begin by understanding the logistics of relocating to Australia. Research the best time to move, potential job opportunities, and the cost of living in different cities. Early planning not only helps you find better deals on moving services and flights, but also gives you ample time to sort through your belongings. Don't forget to create a budget. A detailed budget is your best ally for managing moving expenses. Estimate all costs, including shipping, packing materials, travel, temporary housing, and custom fees. Book flights in advance to secure the best rates and look for deals. Cut unnecessary costs by selling or donating items that you no longer need, and track all expenses using a budgeting app or a spreadsheet. Of course, the most important thing you need to do is choose the right moving service. Finding an affordable moving company is crucial, and here's how to ensure you get the best value. First, select a budget-friendly moving company. Start by comparing quotes with multiple movers to find the best price and services. Be cautious of hidden fees and read online reviews to choose a reputable company. Consider SDC International Shipping. We're known for our reliable and extensive network. We offer a range of services that can help make your international move more cost-effective. We handle your belongings with care and efficiency. Make sure you compare shipping options. When it comes to shipping your belongings, you have two main choices: air freight, which is fast and more expensive, and is ideal for smaller or time-sensitive shipments, or sea freight, which is more affordable and suitable for larger shipments. Though it does take longer, it offers significant cost savings. Also, consider groupage, consolidation, where your items are combined with others to maximize container space and further reduce costs.